Today is February 16, 2026, and this is Tribune at the Moment. I'm Patricia Ramirez. The International Criminal Court has named alleged co-perpetrators for former President Rodrigo Duterte in connection with crimes against humanity linked to his anti-drug campaign. In a document filed by prosecutors, the ICC alleged a common plan to neutralize suspected criminals through violent crimes, including murder. Those named include the following: Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, former police chiefs Oscar Albayalde and Camilo Cascolan, former NBI Director Dan Teguiran, former PIDEA Chief Isidro La Peña, former Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre II, and Senator Bongo, among other police officials. God dismissed the allegations as unfounded and unfair, while Aguirre denied any role in alleged extrajudicial killings. Meanwhile, Malacanang Palace urged those named not to go into hiding if they maintain their innocence. For more news and updates, subscribe to Daily Tribune's print edition, visit tribune.net.ph, or follow our social media accounts. This has been Tribune at the Moment, delivering news without fear, without favor.